Welcome to Soundspell. This is video 7, Sound Manipulation, Level 6. Hello and welcome. We've now reached the final level of the phonological awareness journey. Children can hear sounds. Now they begin controlling them. This is the sound manipulation level. Throughout this series, we've discovered that speech becomes progressively organized. Children notice sounds, they hear words, they hear beats, they hear patterns, they hear individual sounds. Now they begin changing those sounds. This is the highest level of phonological awareness. This is actually going from awareness to skills. Think about the word cat. Now ask, take away the k, what word is left? It's at. Now change the k to a h. Now we have hat. Take away the t at the end and replace it with a p. We now have cap. Children are no longer simply hearing sounds, they are thinking about them. They are changing them deliberately. Children must hold sounds in memory, think about them, change them, then produce the new word. This requires much more than listening. That is why this level prepares children so well for reading and spelling. At this level, children are becoming capable of deleting sounds, substituting sounds, adding sounds, and manipulating sounds mentally. This flexibility becomes essential when reading unfamiliar words and spelling accurately. One simple activity might be first, last, and middle sound. Children enjoy these activities because they feel like word puzzles. At the same time, they are strengthening the most advanced level of phonological awareness. By now, the journey is complete. Children have moved from simply noticing sound to consciously controlling it. This is the bridge into successful phonics instruction. Because once children can hear, organize, and manipulate sounds, mapping those sounds to print becomes logical. So how do you know a child is ready? Can they delete sounds, add sounds, substitute sounds? Can they change one word into another simply by changing one sound? These are the questions we ask. Because once we understand the structure, we know what to teach. Let's look back on the whole journey. Children first notice sounds, words, beats, patterns, and then sound. Finally, they learn to change those sounds. This is the complete developmental pathway into phonics. Thank you for joining me throughout this series. Download the free Sound Manipulation Guide, where I share practical games and activities for this final level. In the next series, we'll discover how these sound foundations connect directly to phonics and the English spelling system. This will be phase 2, speech to print mapping. Continue the journey with me and join the Soundspell Telegram channel for updates and articles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.